Welcome home to another Boston 3 beds, 3 baths, 1,430 square feet, built by Richmond. Let's take a look. All right, so here in the Boston, we have luxury vinyl floors throughout, pre-wired with high-speed internet, upgraded kitchen countertops, that's granite there, gray kitchen cabinets, which I think is a lovely touch, and all appliances are included. Again, we have the garage door back there on the left. And as we turn here, we have our patio, double sliding doors. Again, beautiful kitchen. The living room area is pre-wired for ceiling fan. We head upstairs. First door on the left is going to be the bathroom, luxury vinyl floors. This home also has all of the blinds included. I love the upgrade to the doorknob finishes. In this home, you're going to notice that they're black versus the brushed nickel that we've seen in others. This door here on the left, we have the furnace, and we're now in bedroom number one. Standard doors in this home. Like I said, blinds are included. There is no ceiling fan pre-wire in this room. Bedroom number two, again, upgraded granite countertops with the gray cabinets. Nice look. Bedroom number two, same size as the previous. Not much change here. Carpet is a grayish tone as well, so the home does kind of maintain that gray theme throughout. Your walk-in closet with plenty of space. Yes, they will clean the home prior to moving in. Good amount of windows. Again, that window there is facing west. That wall is pre-wired with internet, and this room is also pre-wired for a ceiling fan. Luxury vinyl in the primary bathroom, upgraded countertops that match downstairs as well as the cabinets, and you do have your shower door. Double sinks.